Rolex watches are made through a combination of advanced engineering, traditional craftsmanship, and meticulous quality control at Rolex's own manufacturing facilities in Switzerland. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how a Rolex watch is made in the factory. 1. In-house manufacturing. Rolex is one of the few watch brands that makes nearly every part of its watches in-house. Foundry. Rolex has its own foundry where it melts and mixes metals to create its unique materials like 904L stainless steel called oyster steel, 18,000 gold alloys yellow, white, Everose rose gold, platinum. 2. Components production. Every component is either made or finished in-house. Cases and bracelets, machined and polished to perfection. Dials, decorated with fine finishes, often with precious metals or stones. Hands and/or markers, made with precision and hand-applied. Cerachrom bezels, made from high-tech ceramic that is scratch and fade-resistant. 3. Movement manufacturing. Rolex manufactures its own mechanical movements, which are incredibly complex. Each movement is assembled by hand by skilled technicians. It includes hundreds of parts, gears, springs, wheels, jewels. Movements are regulated to a precision of -2 seconds per day, better than the COSC standard. 4. Testing and certification. Every Rolex watch undergoes extensive testing. COSC certification. Swiss Official Chronometer Testing Institute verifies timekeeping accuracy. Then it goes through Rolex's own Superlative Chronometer tests. These are even stricter. Watches are tested for water resistance, shock, magnetism, and temperature variation. 5. Hand assembly. Despite all the automation in material handling, the actual assembly of the watch is done by hand. Expert watchmakers assemble each watch carefully. Lubrication, alignment, and precision are checked at every stage. 6. Final quality control before shipping. Each watch is inspected under magnification. Bracelets and clasps are tested for feel and durability. Timekeeping is monitored over several days in real-life conditions. 7. Distribution. Once a Rolex passes all checks, it's sent to authorized retailers, not sold directly by Rolex online. Did you know? Rolex produces around 800,000 to 1 million watches a year. The process of making a single Rolex watch can take up to a year. All Rolex watches are made in Switzerland in facilities like Geneva headquarters and assembly. Bien movement production. Plan les weights, cases, and bracelets. Chainburg dials. Let me know if you want a visual guide or a video walkthrough. I can help find or summarize one.